Hello students, today we are going to learn method of drawing a bar graph. Students, here I am going to show you a data for which we are going to draw bar graph, and here this is a table containing name of the fruit and number of students having that fruit as their choice. For this data we will be drawing bar graph. Students, here we have got 4 fruits, that is banana, orange, apple and guava, and 8 students like banana, 3 students like orange and 5 students want to have apple and 4 students want to have guava. So, for this data, when we go for drawing a bar graph, first we need to take a graph sheet, which we call this is a graph sheet. For this, we will draw first horizontal line. Here, to draw horizontal line, I will use ruler. So, here I am drawing horizontal line, and this horizontal line I will name as x axis or horizontal axis. Later we will draw a vertical axis. Here I am drawing vertical axis, and we will name this axis as y axis. Now, the point of intersection of x axis and y axis we can write as 0. In fact, they are number lines, and you know 0 being the number here, and right side of 0 will get all positive numbers, and 0 being on this vertical axis here, and above that we consider all positive numbers. Here all positive numbers I am writing. Now, students, let us take on x axis name of the fruit. So, I will consider fruits on x axis or horizontal axis, and I will consider number of fruits on y axis or vertical axis. So, here I am going to consider number of fruits. So, this is how I am going to first draw bar graph axis, horizontal axis and vertical axis. Later, students, we will name the number. Here we will take a scale. Here scale would be, as I mentioned, 1 unit is equal to how many number of students. Here it is mistakenly written, it is number of students. So, here I will consider this as 1 student. So, 1 unit, if I consider 1 student, then I have continuously 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and up to here being 10. Now, on vertical axis I got number of students where I have shown 0 to 10 natural numbers. Now, on horizontal axis I will consider this one unit with some name of the fruit. Here I am considering banana, this one from here to here, then I will give a gap, and from here to here I will consider orange. We need not write here, we can write down below. Since I do not have place, I am just writing down below. Here this we will give it as a gap, and next unit will consider it as an apple. Then we will give next unit as a gap, and alternatively we will be writing name of the fruits. Here we will get guava. Now, students, mainly since bananas are 8 in number, so we have to take height of the bar as 8 units to show banana. To show banana, since 8 students are liking, we need to consider height of the bar as 8 units. Similarly, to show orange, we will take the height of the bar representing orange as 3 units. To represent apple, we will take height of the apple as 5 units, since number of 5 students are liking apple. Same case is with the guava, since 4 students are liking guava, we will consider height of the guava representing bar as 4 units. Now, we will go for drawing bar graph. Here I am taking from here till here the bar representing banana. So, and this is the bar representing banana. Then to show orange, since 3 students like orange, we will consider height of the orange as 3 units. And this becomes the bar representing the number of students liking orange. Now, since 5 students are liking apple, to draw apple representing bar or a bar corresponding to apple, we will draw this with the height of 5 units. Similarly, since guava is liked by 4 students, I am drawing the height of the bar representing guava as 4 units. Here is the bar. Now, students, in this bar graph, you could observe the gap between the bars being equal and width of the bars being equal. We have taken 1 unit as the width of the bar and gap between the bars also being 1 unit. So, this is the bar graph. Now, we can write title of the bar graph as bar graph. Which type of bar graph it is? Vertical bar graph. So, we will write vertical bar graph as a title. So, this is the method of drawing bar graph.